So it's the best of both worlds. So sneakers and PlayStation. I'm about to lose my as soon as I open these. Yo! Oh! Hey, what up, guys? Pabs Moneybags here, back with what's possibly, honestly, I'm back with first unboxing of 2019, first shoe of 2019, first time ever I've ever hit on the sneakers draw. I was so excited the day it happened. I couldn't believe it. Not only that, this is the 100th video in the channel. There's a lot going on. It's an exciting time. I'm just gonna jump right into the unboxing because I'm so excited for this sneaker. The PlayStation PG 2.5. I, once again, can't believe I got them. The Saturday that these dropped, it was 9 a.m. in the morning, so there was way too much energy running through my body at 9 a.m. in the morning. But it was just amazing. Honestly, ever since the first, oh, and these are heavy. I honestly lost my train of thought. I don't know what I was even saying, but as you can tell, size 11 PG 2.5 PlayStation, bro. This is some other level stuff. Just like in the previous unboxing for the PG2 on the ACG colorway, Paul George 2 in the front of the box, PG logo on one of the sides, Nike swoosh in the back, and of course I already showed you the side with the signature and the size tag. And that's the other thing too, I'm a huge PlayStation fan, so it's the best of both worlds, so sneakers and PlayStation. I'm about to lose my as soon as I open these. Yo! Oh! Oh my god, bro. I can see the PlayStation, the button logos over here. Shouts to the big fella upstairs. He helping me out with these. I still can't believe these are from a draw on the sneakers app. I just can't make my mind. I can't wrap my mind around that. Yo. Ooh. Oh, no way! No way! Oh, Lord, look at this. All in the back. Damn, I wanna. Oh, and it's got the little turn on button so I can light them up. You know what the best part about all this is? That these retail for $110. I paid like $116 with the tax because of course it was free shipping. I got them from Nike. But let's go ahead and start taking a look at these because, oh man. So you got the kind of backwards swoosh, or instead of the swoosh going towards the heel, it's pointing towards the front of the shoe. This one over here on the blue color that goes along with the X, right? The X is the one, the blue one on the PlayStation. The funny thing is that the swoosh over here on the inside is pink. The one over here is green for the triangle on the PlayStation. The pink is for the square. And then this one's like the red, kind of fruit punch color for the circle. But yeah, it's a pretty cool detail. Again, I love it because I'm a huge PlayStation fan, so it just adds to it. And then also the splatter paint over here on the midsole combines those same four colors all throughout the midsole. On the outside, back, and inside. Back on the inside, once again, the pink Nike swoosh. That's on top of this. Not sure what material this is, but the reflective or glossy finish on this one has the four buttons or the four symbols for the PlayStation buttons as well. You'll be able to see them when you shine some light on them. And there is a bit of a texture to them as well. Back on the outside, Nike Zoom branding. Again, just like the PG2. If you guys haven't watched it, it's gotta be linked in the description or in a card right now. Nike swoosh on the end of the band. More of that glossy texture pattern with the button symbols on top of it as well. It is a Velcro band. Oh, which when you let go of the Velcro, you can see that it says the shoes model 2.5 over here, hidden below the two little bands for adjustment. So great PG logo right below the heel. This pad-like thing right below the ball of your foot. So on the right shoe, you have the PG2 and on the front of the tongue, and then on the left shoe, you got the PlayStation logo in the front of the tongue. On the back of both tongues, you got the turn on, turn off button. Let's go ahead and see how the PG logo lights up. Oh! Okay, so do I turn it off? Oh! No way, dude. It does the little thing that the PlayStation controller does when it charges. Yo, I swear I'm a little kid. All right, let's see the PlayStation one. Why does it, whoa, it looks different on the DSLR. That's not right. Why does it look purple, bro? The light is blue. Am I colorblind? All right, so just because I noticed that it's kind of consistent with the front of the tongue, let's go ahead and take a look at the insole, which on the left shoe, just like the front of the tongue, has the PlayStation logo, and then the rest of the insole, I mean, it's this space star type image that goes along all the way to the front. And then of course on the right shoe, just like in the front of the tongue, you got the PG logo in the same color. But now let's go ahead and, this is probably one of my favorite details too, which is why I love the fact that the Paul George decided to go with this type of collab. This is your signature PlayStation font, and they just wrote his name in the back of the shoe with that font. That just, to me, kind of completes the whole collab, kind of completes the whole shoe.
Okay, hold up. So I'm recording the close-ups, right? You see this right here? You see how it's uneven compared to that? Yeah, it's uneven, because look at how this one, even on the middle, kind of dips in, versus this one's straight over here, and this one dips in. They put the outsole wrong on this thing, the outsole and midsole.
But right now, let's go ahead and see how these look on feet. But anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe so you keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. But yeah, once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags. Out.